Hey everybody, Ron from CampFire Grub, and if you look behind me, you actually see a old 7.3 F-250 with camper. I ended up purchasing a new truck just as a trailer puller, and I'm down here in Key West, and I towed this camper down here for a buddy of mine. Alright, so you having fun here with the chickens?
Yes.
There's chickens everywhere.
Yes.
So there's actually chickens all over Key West running around randomly. There's a jet plane. That's kind of cool. But yeah, so let's go ahead and go and try to find some dinner. So what's that building?
I think it's the Cuban Embassy.
The Cuban Embassy?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so we just arrived here at our dinner destination here. So what do we got here?
Cuban cuisine. Cuban and island cuisine.
So let's go ahead and go in there and eat. So, what'd you discover there?
Little baby deer. Oh, they're coming over here.
So, it turns out there's little baby key deer over there. So, there they are. They're like little dogs. We have just arrived at the Hotel Motel Holiday Inn. So, what is your initial take here? So, we have a ashtray. That's cool. So we pulled right up. Here's where we're parked. Here's the door. So we called the after hours check-in number, and then they advised us that there was a box here that had our room keys in it. So there's 2 keys there, so that's cool. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Buzz in. And what do we find here? So we have a bed. There's a lamp. We have a TV with some, looks like a VHS video of some low quality snorkeling and fish catching. Bathroom. So what's your take here?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So this is what $425 for 2 nights gets you in the Keys. Is this little shack here. But there's a little marina, and there is also allegedly a beach. So we're gonna go take a quick peep at it. I know it's late, but we'll do a little walk and see how it looks. So side note, there's some random video here with some like found footage, or I don't know, maybe like 1990s.
And then there's some floss right there.
What is that? Wait, what'd you find?
Dental floss?
Where is it?
Possibly?
No, it's like string maybe. We have the tissue stuff back in here. So what else have we found in here so far?
We're still investigating. It's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah.
But I mean, you know, $425 a night. So, huh. Interesting. But it appears clean. What's the bathroom look like?
Standard.
Okay, so we got a standard bathroom. We have a little shower.
Yeah.
We brought shower shoes. Ooh, we have a soap dispenser. That's good.
It's fancy.
Yeah. Cool. Good deal.
Yeah.
The other part of this little hotel place is this nice little marina. We've got some boats. It led out to the ocean with a little sitting area. Pretty nice so far. Now it's time to go ahead and depart and go to the state park. Sorry it's so loud with this old truck. The AC was working. We had replaced a bunch of AC components, but the blower motor wasn't blowing, so I beat on it with a kayak paddle, and now we should be good.
Picture?
Yes. So how do you like it?
I love it. It's beautiful.
So here's definitely a throwback here. We got some single-use Kodak cameras. Got the big old gallon jug there. Just arrived at Kiki Sandbar here, and probably about, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago, Kevin and I were here and stuck a sticker there, and it's still there. Last night you got a bit of view of the hotel room we were staying at the Blackfin Resort, and this is kind of a view of their boat area. They have a little area here where you can walk down some steps into the water. That looks pretty nice, and it's right on the ocean with some boat storage. Monday morning, time for some breakfast. So what do we decide to order today?
We're getting Cuban food, of course.
But we did not opt to get the whole pig though. Arriving here at Robbie's of Isle Ramada. So what are you about to do?
Feed some fish.
Feed some fish. Yeah. Alright, so you got this. No, it's just a little pelican. It's fine.
It literally snatched it right out of my hand.
I know, but you got to be careful. Alright, you got this. So reach down. Alright, try to feed it this time again. The pelican's chasing you.
I don't know where to go. I think I grab the bucket.
It tried to grab the whole bucket. Alright, grab another fish. That's our last fish. So you gotta do good here. Okay, you're good.
Oh my god.
You got this. Just lower down.
They jumped.
No. You got this. Aww. This is Sarah's first time doing some open water paddling. I don't know if the audio can pick her up or not, but how is it?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful, yeah. So, we've got some open ocean here. The water is pretty shallow. We've seen some stingrays, some little coral, a bunch of fish, and we're just out here in Tavernier. Thank you everybody for watching our quick, short little improv trip here to the Keys. Everything went pretty well. Truck's running good, and now we just have the final, probably about 2 hours left of the ride home. Sarah's all cocooned over there, wrapped up. And again, thank you everybody for watching.